So today we're going to be talking about this gorgeous hair that I currently have in my head. I do have an initial, well, somewhat of an initial review of this hair on my channel, so I'll leave that down in the description box if you guys want to see my initial thoughts. I have been wearing this hair for about 5 months now, well, almost 5 months. I actually purchased this hair in December of last year, 2018, and now it is April 2019. So yes, I've been wearing this hair on and off for a minute. I am able to wear it on and off because it is a wig. This is actually a closure. Now let me just say, I believe I stated it in my previous video, or maybe I did not, but I want to state it now. I did switch out the closure because beauty supply closures are not typically what I like. So I did switch out the closure with a previous unit that I made with some other hair. So yes, this closure is like an actual closure, because the closure that I purchased from this vendor at the beauty supply store, their closure, you was not able to like party anywhere you wanted to. It was like one of those danky little closures that I personally do not like. So yes, I did put another closure on it, and to me that makes the unit look more natural. Now as far as in this hair goes, when I say that this is the best hair that I have ever purchased from the beauty supply store, I'll have like the details as far as the lengths go listed down below, but this is the best hair. Like, I was able to dye this hair. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but the hair is like a light brown. So yes, this hair dyed perfectly. I was able to put bleach on it and it did not damage the hair at all. Honestly, this hair, I have units that I purchased, or bundles that I purchased off of Amazon or from like hair vendors, and honestly, this hair is better than some of those. Now I'm not sure, this is supposed to be like unprocessed hair, but we know how that goes when you purchase them from the beauty supply store. So this is what the hair is looking like in the back. And as you guys can see, as I stated, I have had this hair for about 5 months and it is still holding up beautifully. The only thing that I did not like about this hair, as I stated, was the closure, and then it was longer, but I decided to cut it shorter because as it goes, you know, as it goes longer, the bundles tend to be a little thin. So this hair did come with 3 bundles. I had to purchase the closure actually separately. So yeah, it did come with 3 bundles. As you can see, it's not as full as it should be, well, as far as in what I'm used to. But if you want to purchase like some bundles from the beauty supply store, purchase these bundles. You will have a more natural look, so if that's what you're into, these bundles are perfect. Also, they were affordable. So yeah, I have not washed this hair with shampoo. I have used the Aussie conditioner, I believe, and also the Suave conditioner in the green bottle. That's all I've been doing, is basically like co-washing it. So yeah, this is basically what it looks like, and I always put this unit on when I'm looking for something more natural, more, you know, sophisticated, but I'm still slaying. And as I stated, I did cut the lengths on it to make it look a lot fuller. And then this is initially how the hair came, straight. This is the straight hair, but in my initial review, I was able to curl the hair. The hair holds a curl wonderfully. As far as in curling it, like, I don't have any problems. As far as in shedding, I promise you guys, this hair does not shed at all. It does not tangle. I seriously just had this hair stored away. I pull it out when I feel like it, and I don't really do anything to it unless I want to curl it. That's it. Like, I literally pulled this out, fixed the baby hairs, and I was ready to go. Like, I didn't even have to re-straighten it. Like, this hair is bomb, guys. Like, so serious. So serious. So serious. I love it. Like, I love it. I think I should make like a frontal bob with this hair. That'll be so freaking cute. Like, as you can see, it's not much that I can say. Like, if you guys have any questions, you can leave them down below. I do answer any questions. I reply all the time. So, as I stated, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to wake, pray, and slay the day, because Paris taught you. Okay? Thanks so much for tuning in to my video. If I didn't state it before, I do have a hair giveaway going on my channel. So if you're interested, please be sure to look down in the description box, and I'll have that video listed. I thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and until next time, toodles.
Full blown. Run rich. Brings.
Yo.
Moolah.
Yo.
Yeah.
Hey, yo. I know what these niggas like, and it ain't my